Vitamin D, also known as ergocalciferol D2, cholecalciferol D3, and alfacalcidol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. It is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. Vitamin D is used to treat and prevent bone disorders such as rickets and osteomalacia. Your body naturally produces vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight, but factors such as sunscreen, limited sunlight exposure, and dark skin can prevent you from getting enough vitamin D from the sun. Vitamin D with calcium is used to treat or prevent bone loss, also known as osteoporosis. It is also used in combination with other medications to treat low levels of calcium or phosphate caused by certain disorders like hypoparathyroidism, pseudohypoparathyroidism, and familial hypophosphatemia. In kidney disease, vitamin D is used to maintain normal calcium levels and promote healthy bone growth. Additionally, breastfed infants are given vitamin D drops or other supplements because breast milk typically has low levels of vitamin D. When taking Drisdol, it's best to take it by mouth as directed. It's most effective when taken after a meal, but you can also take it with or without food. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully with a special measuring device, and do not use a household spoon. If you're taking the chewable tablet or wafers, be sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing, and do not swallow whole wafers. If you're taking the rapidly dissolving tablets, place each dose on your tongue, allow it to dissolve completely, and then swallow it with saliva or water. If you are also taking medications such as bile acid sequestrants, mineral oil, or orlistat, it's important to take them at least 2 hours apart from your Drisdol dose, and it may be easiest to take Drisdol at bedtime. Be sure to take this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it, and if your doctor has recommended a special diet, be sure to follow it to get the most benefit from Drisdol and prevent serious side effects. Remember, do not take other supplements or vitamins unless ordered by your doctor, and if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If your doctor has prescribed Drisdol for you, it's because they believe that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the potential side effects. However, it's important to be aware of the possible side effects, such as nausea, vomiting, constipation, loss of appetite, increased thirst, and mental/mood changes. If you experience any of these symptoms, make sure to contact your doctor right away. It's also important to note that taking too much vitamin D can lead to harmful high levels of calcium in your body. This can cause a range of symptoms, including nausea, vomiting, constipation, loss of appetite, increased thirst, increased urination, and mental/mood changes. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. While allergic reactions to Drisdol are rare, it's still important to be aware of the symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, and trouble breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical help immediately. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other unusual symptoms, make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. And as always, if you have any concerns or questions about taking Drisdol, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for guidance. Before taking Drisdol, it's important to let your doctor know if you are allergic to vitamin D or other vitamin D products. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so be sure to discuss any allergies with your pharmacist. Before using Drisdol, inform your doctor about your medical history, especially if you have high calcium or vitamin D levels, difficulty absorbing nutrition from food, kidney disease, or liver disease. Liquid products, chewable tablets, or dissolving tablets of Drisdol may contain sugar, aspartame, or alcohol. If you have diabetes, liver disease, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit these substances in your diet, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are planning to have surgery, be sure to inform your doctor about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, it's important to discuss with your doctor the risks and benefits of using Drisdol, as doses greater than the recommended dietary allowance should only be used when clearly needed. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Drisdol, as this medication can pass into breast milk. When taking Drisdol, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This can affect how the medication works, and increase the risk of serious side effects. To avoid any complications, make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This includes prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as any herbal products. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Drisdol include burosumab and phosphate binders. It's also important to check the labels on all your prescription and non-prescription products, such as antacids, laxatives, and vitamins, as they may contain substances that could interact with Drisdol. If you have any concerns, ask your pharmacist about using these products safely. Additionally, it's important to note that vitamin D is very similar to calcitriol, so it's crucial not to use medications containing calcitriol while using Drisdol. Moreover, Drisdol may interfere with certain lab tests, such as cholesterol tests, potentially causing false results. Make sure to inform the lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this vitamin. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to follow your doctor's advice. They will recommend the appropriate dosage for your specific condition and the best time to take it. If you or someone else has taken too much Drisdol and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. You can call 911 for emergency help or reach out to a poison control center for guidance. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include seizures, confusion, and irregular heartbeat. When taking Drisdol, it's important to have regular medical tests to check your calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus levels. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments and consult with your doctor for more details. You can also increase your vitamin D intake by consuming fortified dairy products, eggs, sardines, cod liver oil, chicken livers, and fatty fish. These foods can help support the benefits of taking Drisdol. Remember to follow your doctor's recommendations for the best time to take this medication and the daily dosage that is right for you. If you forget to take a dose of Drisdol, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing vitamin D products, it's important to keep them at room temperature and away from light and moisture. However, if you have alfacalcidol drops, it's best to store them in the refrigerator but make sure not to freeze them. It's crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets to prevent any accidental ingestion. When it comes to disposing of this product, it's important not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, it's best to properly discard it when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure how to do this, it's always a good idea to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.